In Chapter 28 of Fight Club by Chuck Palahniuk, the protagonist, known as the narrator, confronts the escalating consequences of his alter ego, Tyler Durden's actions, and his own complex relationship with both Tyler and Marla. The chapter dives deep into the narrator's psyche, revealing his internal conflicts and the external chaos Tyler has wrought. The chapter begins with a chilling recollection of violence that Tyler, acting through the narrator, has committed. The narrator reflects on the murder of Patrick Madden, the mayor's special envoy, who was compiling a list of bars where Fight Club meets, a direct threat to the underground operation. The depiction of Patrick's wife, mistaking her husband's blood for a prop in a murder mystery party, adds a layer of macabre absurdity to the situation. This incident underscores the dangerous reality of Tyler's campaign against societal norms and the extremes to which he will go to protect the secrecy and objectives of Fight Club and Project Mayhem. As the reality of his actions sets in, the narrator's thoughts shift to the genesis of Tyler Durden. He realizes that Tyler was a manifestation of his desire to connect with Marla, expressing that his dissociative identity was born out of love, albeit in a twisted and destructive form. This revelation is significant as it provides insight into the narrator's subconscious motivations and the complex intertwined relationships between him, Tyler, and Marla. It also highlights the themes of identity, longing, and the destructive nature of unchecked masculine ideals that permeate the novel. Driven by a desire to escape Tyler and the havoc he has caused, the narrator seeks resolution through self-destruction. He goes to a Fight Club meeting and offers himself up as a sacrificial combatant, fighting all 50 members present. The brutal beatings he endures are a physical manifestation of his wish to obliterate Tyler's influence and, in a broader sense, his own fractured identity. Tasting his own blood during the fights, the narrator's experience becomes a raw, visceral attempt at self-purification and liberation from his alter ego. Chapter 28 of Fight Club is a pivotal moment in the novel. Delving into the depths of the narrator's turmoil and the violent consequences of Tyler Durden's revolutionary ideology, it exposes the fragility of the narrator's psyche and the catastrophic impact of his dissociative identity on himself and the world around him. Through a blend of introspection, violence, and a twisted sense of redemption, Chuck Palahniuk offers a gripping exploration of identity, masculinity, and the destructive pursuit of rebellion against societal norms. So what did you think about this video? Please leave a comment down below and let me know what books you would like to see in the next video. Signing off, this has been another Bookly Crash Course.